Alright guys, on today's Alien Auto Adventure, this one's going to be a short video. I'm going to be working on my 2001 Chevy S10. I'm going to be fixing the third door handle. It has come loose inside here, so it's not wanting to unlatch on top. So come along with us as we take this apart and get this fixed. These screws are going to be a T27 Torx bit. I've already previously replaced this door handle, but the little plastic clips inside, one of them I believe has come loose. Yep. As you can see right there, this little plastic clip has come loose on it, causing it to not want to open because the top rod pulls down, the bottom rod pulls up, they squeeze together, and the door opens. Alright, I'm going to go grab a flathead screwdriver real quick so that I can pop that clip back on. clip back in place. So now we will reinstall our T27 Torx bit screws. And anytime you've got to change one of these handles, try to reuse the factory clips. They're a lot better than these aftermarket ones. And there we go. And I can already feel it coming loose again, so we're going to have to take this back off and then switch these, or put something on it to keep it steady. Again, these clips don't really like working very well, but I don't have the original ones anymore. I don't quite know what happened to them, but I will be trying to locate some. Get that twisted up into place. Get that clip back in place. Put our screws back in, and it should open just fine now. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it opens just like it should. And I know this was just a short video, guys, but we're trying to get more content made to get it back, since we had to completely redo our first channel. It wasn't really an idea situation, but someone hacked our first channel, so we're having to redo pretty much a year's worth of content. But we greatly appreciate all of the support and everything else. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe if you see this video. We're trying to get our subscriber base back up, And again, like, share, check us out on our second channel at Alien Auto Adventures 2. This one is New Alien Auto Adventures. Anytime you see one of our videos come up, please guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And check us out on, like I said, our second channel, Alien Auto Adventures 2. Check us out on Facebook at Alien Auto Adventures. Check us out on Instagram and TikTok. And just remember guys, it ain't stupid if it works. And pretty soon we will have some more content coming up, probably on this truck, the 2000 Chevy S10. I have to trace down some vacuum lines on it. The four-wheel drive engages, but it doesn't like to engage all the way, so stay tuned for that video. We have some other content coming up soon. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Comment down below if y'all enjoy our content, and like I said, please remember, like, share, subscribe, and it ain't stupid if it works guys. We'll catch you on the next one.